Ever been ghosted, left out of a group chat, or seen your friends hanging out without you on social media? That sharp sting you feel, it's not just in your head. Well, actually, it is, but it's way more real than you think. Did you know that your brain processes the pain of social rejection in the exact same way it processes physical pain? It sounds crazy, right? But science backs this up. Let's dive into the fascinating and sometimes painful world of our social brain. Think back to the last time you stubbed your toe or bumped your elbow. You get that immediate, intense signal of pain. Now, think about a time you were rejected. Maybe a breakup or being excluded from a team. That deep, aching hurt you felt? Neurologically speaking, it's lighting up the same parts of your brain. Scientists have used fMRI scans to watch what happens inside our heads during these moments. They discovered that the anterior cingulate cortex, the brain's alarm system for physical pain, goes into overdrive when we experience social rejection. This isn't just a metaphor. Your brain is literally screaming, ouch. So, why would our brains evolve this way? It all goes back to our ancestors. For early humans, being part of a tribe wasn't just nice, it was essential for survival. Being cast out meant losing access to food, protection from predators, and a support system. It was a death sentence. So, our brains developed this powerful social pain system as a survival mechanism. A biological alarm to tell us that our social connections, our very lifeline, are being threatened. That feeling of loneliness and hurt is your brain's way of motivating you to mend those broken bonds and get back into the safety of the group. This connection is so strong that studies have even shown that common over-the-counter painkillers, like Tylenol, can actually reduce the feelings of hurt from social rejection. In one experiment, people who took acetaminophen daily reported feeling less social pain over time compared to a placebo group. Their brains literally showed less activity in those pain-related regions when they were socially excluded in a virtual game. Now, this is not medical advice, and you definitely shouldn't start popping pills every time you feel left out. But it's a powerful illustration of just how intertwined physical and social pain really are. This has huge implications for how we view emotional well-being. We often dismiss emotional pain. We're told to get over it, toughen up, or that it's all in your head. But science is telling us that this pain is real. It's a genuine biological response. Ignoring it is like ignoring a broken leg. It needs to be acknowledged, treated, and healed. This is why things like bullying can have such devastating and long-lasting effects. It's not just kids being kids. It's inflicting real, measurable pain that can lead to chronic stress, depression, and anxiety. The invisible wounds are just as damaging as the visible ones. Understanding this can also change how we interact with each other. Every time we choose kindness over exclusion, empathy over judgment, we're essentially acting as a pain reliever for someone else. Wait, someone. Listento tem? You're in care Laura security. You're telling their brain, you're safe. You're one of us. This is the foundation of community, friendship, and love. It's the social glue that has held humanity together for millennia. So what can we do when we're the ones feeling that sting of rejection? First, validate your own feelings. Don't dismiss them. It's okay that it hurts, because it's supposed to. Your brain is doing its job. Second, focus on reconnecting. Reach out to trusted friends or family members, people who make you feel valued and accepted. Positive social interactions can literally soothe that pain response. Spending time with loved ones au revoir nappé a hormone that promotes bonding and counteracts feelings of stress and pain. It's also a great time to focus on self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend who is physically hurt. And remember, if the pain of loneliness or rejection feels overwhelming and doesn't go away, it's a sign that you might need more support. Just like you'd see a doctor for a persistent physical injury. It's incredibly important to reach out to a mental health professional. Therapists and counselors are trained to help you navigate these feelings and build resilience. There is no shame in seeking help. It's a sign of strength. The next time you feel that ache of being left out, remember, your pain is real, it's valid, and it's a deep part of our shared human experience. It's a reminder of our fundamental need to connect with others. Let's try to be a little kinder to ourselves when we feel it, and a lot kinder to others to prevent them from feeling it in the first place. Because at the end of the day, we're all just wired for connection. Thanks for watching and taking the time to understand our amazing brains a little better. If you found this interesting, please like this video and subscribe for more content about the psychology of our everyday lives. See you in the next one.